Comment down below what video I should make, because I have no clue. But that's not what I'm talking about today. That's not what I'm doing today. Today, I'm gonna be showing you guys what I made out of my. I'm gonna be showing you guys what I made with my 3D printer. I'll be right back after I go and get them. Okay, guys, now I'm gonna be showing you guys what I made with my 3D printer. I made a lot of things. First, I'm gonna grab out this rocket chop, I don't know what to say it. I made 2 of these, but one of them's out in the kitchen somewhere. There's that. Then here's a leprechaun. I made 2 of those. When I find it, I'll show you. This little gnome with a flower on it for spring. And this goes with it. I made this like little thing, I don't know why. And this unicorn thing, like a little unicorn kitchen. An Xbox thing that takes an hour to make. And then like this chocolate thing, I made another one of them. But like the wrappers are a different color. And then like this Mount Rushmore thing. Comment below if you guys know their names. Then I made like this thing. I don't know where the other 2 is. I made another one like kind of like that. Maybe like a tic-tac-toe thing. So the things are inside it. Here's the other leprechaun thing. Made this probably somewhere in March. Then here's the frog. I made another one like that. Another one frog. And then I got a whistle thing. I have no clue how it works. Then I have an Oreo. Then I have a phone. I don't know why. That kind of messed up. I don't know why I still have it. Here's the other one. I use a different wrapper. But instead, this one's like bit off than that one. So just bit off. This is the first thing I made out of it. And then here's the other one, but it has the heart instead of the hat. And then I made a bunny. Then I got a toaster. Then I call it a donut. I don't know what it's actually called. Then I got a picture of me and my mom. I make pictures out of it. I have a toilet paper. I made one of these for my cousin, and she made it yellow. I have no clue why. Oh, this part goes with. It's supposed to look like kind of like this, with eyes and black eyes in them. And then here's a dog. It's a white dog. Here's a Sour Patch Kid, if I can hold it. I made one of these for my cousin, and it messed up, so I made them. I think I made them a different one, or I kept it. It's like a beanbag thing that I broke. The things broke off. Here, I think this is like a cow, and got a little chicken that came from an egg. And then I got the Mount Rushmore kind of like Mount Rushmore, but they're all rock, or DeLon Johnson or whatever. Then I got a brain. And then I don't remember what this thing's called. And then I got this pig that I kind of like that. And then I got a snake. And then I got this that came from another egg. And then I got a diamond or gold or whatever. it was called in there, but it changed it to a different color. And then I got this thing. It was cool until someone broke it. It's like making their own because it takes an hour, just like the Xbox. Then I got koala and an elephant. Then I got whatever that thing is. Then I got like a cup. This one was mine, or my mom's. I made one for my mom. I have this that kind of works. It doesn't work, it's right there. But I had to break it a little bit to make it work. It's like a little cube, but it takes an hour to make two. And then I got another snake. Then like another rock thing. I think this is a lizard, I'm not really sure. Then I got another rock thing, but up here it's like pointy. Like another rock thing. Then I think this one was my mom's. And got like a poppet thing. That doesn't even work, I don't know why I made that. Then I got the bunny. Then I got the rock again. Then I got a tiny little phone. Oh, there's the piece. So it's supposed to look something like that, and then it's supposed to go in, and then back. It's supposed to go away from you, then towards you. Then I got a bunny. Then I got a mouth to go with the Oreo. And then I got a gnome. Got a thing. Here, I'll be right back. Okay guys, now I'm back. And I don't know if I showed you, but the plug kind of like my dog. Oops. And then I made a penguin. You know, little tiny penguin supposed to be kind of like that. I don't know if you can see it. And then I made this that came out of an egg, like a kind of like an egg, but mostly like a present. Made a taco. My mom had to super glue it to get to stay. Another rock thing. I don't know why I'm making a rock thing. This is all over the 3D printer app. A ring. A snowflake. I made like there's probably like 3 more of these because I think I made 4 and this is one of them. And this came out with another egg. And then a gummy bear. And then a little tiny gummy bear. I think I made like, I think there's 3 more in the bag. And that is my name. But if you put it backwards, it spells aim. And then we got a toilet to go with the toilet paper. Then we got this. I don't know why I made that. It was for a charger. The end of the charger or something. I don't know. Then we got this ring thing. Yeah, if you guys think, comment below what else I should post, and comment below what else I should make with my 3D printer, if you guys have one. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Bye.
Keep me from you, Princess Peach, at the end of